We are here at the 4th Annual Southeast Home Inspectors Conference, and we've got Laura Martin from Sun Nuclear. Good afternoon, Laura.
Thank you. It's a pleasure being here as usual.
Well, thank you. Tell us a little bit about Sun Nuclear and the products that you have.
We are a device manufacturer and original equipment manufacturer of radiation detection equipment, and this is our environmental radon monitor product line. Okay. We have 3 devices, numbered 1027, 1028, and 1029. And they are for radon detection in homes, and home inspectors will use our products and do 48-hour short-term radon gas testing, and print out their results on their own computers and provide the reporting to home owners and buyers and sellers of real estate.
Okay, very good. How long has the company been in business? Do you have any idea?
Yes, we have been in business for over 25 years.
Okay, very good.
Actually, the radon business was the inception of our company. So radon and survey meter calibrations is how we started. And we also manufacture medical physics equipment as well. So we also have a lot of product line in cancer therapy centers.
Okay. Purchase, lease, varied programs with your products?
We do sell them directly to our customers, and people will buy them, get a better bargain that way, so they can actually make money off of the product that they purchase. And they last for many, many years, and we do calibration services yearly on them per EPA protocols.
Well, very good. Well, thank you for joining us here at the conference.